Stop me if you know this feeling. The alarm goes off. It feels like you just closed your eyes. You hit snooze, maybe twice. You drag yourself out of bed. You feel like a zombie. You drink a coffee. It doesn't help. You go to class. You try to focus. But your brain feels like fog. By 2 p.m., you are crashing. By 10 p.m., you are suddenly wide awake. You scroll on your phone. You go to sleep too late. And you repeat it all tomorrow. This is the average student routine, and it is broken. It is not your fault. Nobody taught you how to operate your machine. Your body is a machine. It has rules. It has a manual. Today, we are going to rewrite that manual. We are not going to use willpower. Willpower runs out. We are going to use biology. We are going to use science. I am going to give you the perfect daily routine, based on real facts. No misinformation. No grindset nonsense. Just pure efficiency. If you follow this, you won't just get better grades. You will feel like a different person. Let's fix your life, right now. Part 1. The Morning Launchpad. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. It starts the night before, but let's pretend it starts now. 7 a.m. or whenever you wake up. The first 30 minutes are critical. Most students mess this up. They grab their phone. They check social media. They flood their brain with dopamine. Don't do that. Your brain is sensitive right now. Here is the first rule. Light. Get light in your eyes. Real sunlight is best. Open the curtains. Step outside, even for 5 minutes. Why? It hits a part of your brain called the SEN, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It tells your body the day has started. It starts a timer for melatonin. This helps you sleep tonight. Yes, looking at the sky now helps you sleep in 16 hours. Crazy, right? Next step. Hydrate. You lost water while sleeping. Your brain is like a sponge. A dry sponge cannot absorb information. Drink a big glass of water before the coffee. Speaking of coffee, wait. Do not drink it yet. This is a pro tip. Wait 90 minutes. I know, it's hard, but here is the science. Your body has a chemical called adenosine. It makes you sleepy. If you drink caffeine too early, you block it temporarily. Then it crashes back later. That is the afternoon slump. Wait 90 minutes. Let your body wake up naturally. Then have the caffeine. You will feel energy all day. No crash. Finally, move. Just a little. Do 10 jumping jacks. Stretch. Get the blood to the brain. You are now online. You are ready. Most students are still hitting snooze. You are already winning. Part 2. Deep work and the frog. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now, the work begins. Maybe you have class. Maybe you have free time. This block is for your hardest task. Mark Twain had a saying, eat the frog. If you have to eat a live frog, do it first thing. Don't look at it for hours. Your frog is your hardest subject. Math, physics, writing. Do it now. Your brain has the most glucose now. It is fresh. Do not check emails. Do not check messages. Put the phone in another room. Out of sight, out of mind. That is a scientific fact. Even seeing the phone reduces focus. Hide it. Use the Pomodoro technique. Focus for 25 minutes. Deep focus. No distractions. Then break for 5 minutes. Do this 4 times. That is 2 hours of elite work. Most students study for 5 hours, but they check their phone every 10 minutes. That is not studying. That is wasting time. 2 hours of deep work beats 10 hours of distracted work. Be efficient. Get it done. Then you are free. Part 3. The Midday Refuel. 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. It is lunchtime. Fuel is important. Do not eat heavy carbs. A huge bowl of pasta will kill you. Not literally, but it will kill your energy. It causes an insulin spike, then a crash. You will want to sleep. Eat protein, eat veggies. Keep it light. Your brain needs steady fuel, not a sugar roller coaster. After lunch, do not sit. Go for a walk. Just 15 minutes. It helps digestion. It clears the mind. It is the optic flow. Seeing things move past you calms the brain. It reduces stress. It resets your focus. If you are enjoying this so far, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm find other tired students. Let's save them too. Part 4. The Slump and the Cheat Code. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now, the danger zone. The afternoon slump. It happens to everyone. It is biological. Your circadian rhythm dips here. You feel tired. You lose focus. Do not fight it with more sugar. That makes it worse. I have a secret weapon for you. It is called NSDR, non-sleep deep rest, or yoga. Search for it on YouTube. It is a 10-minute guided relaxation. You lie down, you listen. It tricks your brain into thinking it slept. 10 minutes of NSDR equals 2 hours of sleep. It resets your dopamine. It restores your focus. Try it. It feels like magic. If you can't do that, just rest. Close your eyes for 10 minutes. Do not scroll. Scrolling is not resting. Scrolling drains you. Resting recharges you. Know the difference. Part 5. The second wind and socials. 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. You have rested. Now you have a second wind. Use this for lighter work. Review your notes. Do the easy homework. Or get active. Go to the gym. Play a sport. Run. Exercise is not just for muscles. It is for the brain. It releases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It is like fertilizer for your neurons. It helps you remember what you learned today. If you don't exercise, you forget faster. Move your body to grow your brain. Also, be human. Talk to people. Loneliness kills productivity. Have dinner with friends. Call your parents. Laugh. This lowers cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. Too much stress kills memory. So, having fun is actually productive. Don't feel guilty about it. Schedule it. Part 6. The shutdown. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. The day is ending. We need to land the plane. You cannot just crash. You need a landing sequence. Start the digital sunset. The sun goes down. Your screens should dim too. Blue light from phones tricks your brain. It thinks it is noon. It stops melatonin. It ruins your sleep quality. Turn on night shift mode. Better yet, put the phone away. Read a real book. Fiction is great. It disconnects you from reality. It calms the mind. One last task. This is crucial. Plan tomorrow. Write down the 3 big things for tomorrow. Just 3. Do it now. Why? Because if you don't, your brain will worry all night. What do I have to do? Did I forget something? Write it down. Get it out of your head. Put it on paper. Your brain can relax. It knows the plan. You can sleep in peace. 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Be consistent. Go to bed at the same time, even on weekends. Your internal clock loves consistency. Keep the room cool. Keep it dark, pitch black, and sleep. Sleep is when you learn. You study during the day, but you learn while you sleep. Your brain connects the dots. If you cut sleep, you cut learning. Get your 8 hours. It is non-negotiable. The conclusion, that is it. That is the perfect routine. It sounds simple, but simple is hard. You won't be perfect every day. That is okay. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just get back on track. Start with the morning sunlight. Start with the water. Build the habit. One day at a time. You are capable of amazing things. You just need the right system. This is your system. Now, go use it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. I make videos to help you win. Comment below. I am starting tomorrow. I want to see how many of you are ready. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.